How to download view-only file from Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to download a view-only file or a video file on your Google Drive. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is if someone has shared you a video, you can find it on this tab shared with me. I'm just going to open it right here to show you. So once you open up the video, you won't get the download button right here. So what you need to do is go ahead and press on this three lines right here and then open it on a new window. And once you open it up, you just want to make sure that the quality is set to the highest. So go ahead and click on this gear icon, head over to quality, and make sure that it's set to the highest quality. Now what you need to do is go ahead and press function plus F12 key on your keyboard. It will open up this inspect icon on the right side of your screen. Now on this window, what you need to do is head over to network. So if you don't find it, you can click on this arrow icon and you might find it here. Now once you find the network, you just want to see all of these video playbacks right here. Click on it to play the video for a second and another video playback file will appear. Just right click on it and then from here you want to click on open a new tab and it will automatically start downloading the playback on your PC. So that's how you download the video file on view only mode on your Google Drive. If you found it helpful, hit like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.